In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an opening bank balance in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial step in setting up your QuickBooks account, ensuring your financial data is accurate from the get-go. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to sign into your account. This is a pretty straightforward step. Simply go to the login page. And if you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Choose QuickBooks Online as your platform, as that's where we will be setting up the bank balance today. Once you're successfully logged in, we'll navigate to the Transactions tab. This is your financial hub within QuickBooks, where you'll manage all your financial entries. So familiarity with this section will serve you well for all financial entries moving forward. From the Transactions tab, you'll need to click on the Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks stores all your financial accounts, including your bank accounts. It's essentially the backbone of your accounting setup, listing out all the accounts you have in QuickBooks. After accessing the chart of accounts, look for the bank account you wish to enter the opening balance for. Once you've found it, click on View Register. This register provides a detailed list of all transactions that affect the account, and it's essential for reconciling your bank statements with what's recorded in QuickBooks. Next, you need to click on the opening balance. If you're setting this up for the first time, the opening balance field is where you input the starting point of your bank account as of the date you begin using QuickBooks. It's important to ensure this figure is accurate as it impacts all future reconciliations and financial reports. Once you click on the opening balance, you'll be able to edit the amount. Carefully input the correct balance as it appears on your actual bank statement. Double check this number, as getting this part right is critical for all subsequent financial decision making and record keeping. Finally, after you've revised the amount to match your bank statement, click on Save. This confirms your entry and ensures the opening balance is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. Saving this data not only helps maintain accurate financial records, but also aids in generating correct reports and analyses moving forward. And that's it. With these steps, you've just entered your opening bank balance in QuickBooks Online. Setting up this balance forms a sturdy foundation for managing your finances. Your QuickBooks account is now primed to accurately track business transactions moving forward. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.